Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best scrubber and cleaner that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the CT Mast Electric Spin Scrubber. This scrubber packs dual speed settings, offering up to 450 RPM for deep cleaning and 400 RPM for regular cleaning. Its IPX7 waterproof rating allows it to perform in wet environments without risk, making it a fantastic choice for bathrooms and kitchens. With its adjustable extension pole reaching up to 53 inches, you can clean high or low areas comfortably without bending or kneeling. A great feature for those with back or knee pain. The CT Mast Scrubber comes with 3 brush heads designed for different surfaces, from flat tiles to grout corners. Made from durable PP material, it's built to last while ensuring surfaces remain scratch-free. However, it does fall slightly short in terms of brush diversity compared to some competitors. And its battery life maxes out at 90 minutes, which is sufficient but not exceptional. It's lightweight at 2.33 pounds and feels sturdy, but the handle could use a bit more ergonomic refinement. Overall, the CT Mast is ideal for those looking for an affordable yet reliable scrubber for everyday use. While it's not the most feature-rich option, the adjustable extension pole and waterproof design make it a solid choice for tackling regular cleaning tasks. Just keep in mind that it doesn't include a charging adapter, so you'll need to use one of your own. Coming in at number 4 is the LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber, featuring an ergonomic design and a powerful motor capable of spinning at up to 400 RPM. This scrubber is great for tackling stubborn grime on surfaces like bathtubs, floors, and tile. It boasts a cordless design with 90 minutes of runtime after just 3.5 hours of charging, making it convenient for cleaning large areas without interruptions. The LABIGO scrubber includes 4 brush heads, each tailored for different cleaning scenarios, from flat surfaces to grout and corners. Its retractable metal extension rod allows you to reach high spots and tight corners with ease, eliminating the need for bending down. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures durability in wet conditions, and the overall build quality feels solid and reliable. However, at 3.78 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, which might be a consideration for prolonged use. This scrubber is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile, durable cleaning tool. It's particularly suited for bathrooms and kitchens, but its heavier weight and mid-range speed settings may not make it the best option for users seeking maximum portability or ultra-high-speed cleaning. At number 3, we have the Dreazu Electric Spin Scrubber. This scrubber impresses with its 2 adjustable speeds, 350 RPM for light cleaning and 450 RPM for deeper scrubbing. Backed by a powerful motor and a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 90 minutes. What sets it apart is the inclusion of 7 interchangeable brush heads, giving it unparalleled versatility for cleaning everything from bathtubs and sinks to car interiors and stoves. The Dreazu scrubber features a retractable handle that extends from 41 to 48 inches, making it perfect for reaching high areas or cleaning floors without bending over. It's lightweight at just 1.45 pounds, making it one of the easiest scrubbers to maneuver. Additionally, its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures it can handle damp environments without risk of damage. The sealed structure protects against rust and water ingress, making it highly durable. This model is ideal for users who need a multi-purpose scrubber that can handle a variety of tasks. While its runtime and speed are comparable to other models, the Dreazu stands out thanks to its lightweight design and wide range of accessories. However, its smaller battery capacity may require more frequent recharging during prolonged cleaning sessions. Runner-up on our list is the 2UU Electric Spin Scrubber. This scrubber delivers impressive performance with a motor that spins at up to 450 RPM, making it ideal for deep cleaning tasks. It features 2 adjustable speeds and an IPX7 waterproof design, ensuring durability and versatility for wet environments like bathrooms and kitchens. The standout feature here is the LED power display, which lets you monitor battery usage at a glance. The 2UU scrubber comes with 4 long bristle brush heads designed to clean various surfaces efficiently, from flat tiles to curved corners. Its stainless steel extension rod adjusts between 26 and 45 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas without bending over. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use, even for extended periods. Its fast-charging technology and USB-C port further enhance convenience, ensuring you're back to cleaning in no time. This scrubber is perfect for users seeking a modern, feature-rich cleaning tool. The LED display and fast-charging capabilities make it a smart choice for tech-savvy users. While it only comes with 4 brush heads, its build quality and intelligent design make it a worthy investment for everyday cleaning. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bombvez Electric Spin Scrubber. This scrubber steals the show with its powerful motor, capable of delivering speeds of up to 400 RPM, and a large 5,000 mAh battery that provides up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The dual speed settings, 300 RPM for light cleaning and 400 RPM for heavy-duty tasks, make it versatile enough for a wide range of cleaning scenarios. What makes the Bombvez scrubber truly stand out is its 8 replaceable brush heads, offering more variety than any other product on this list. From flat surfaces to grout corners and even car tires, this scrubber can tackle almost anything. The adjustable handle lets you choose between lengths of 12, 43, and 54 inches, catering to both high and low cleaning tasks without straining your back. Its tight protection design allows it to perform well in humid environments, though the handle should not be fully submerged in water. This scrubber is ideal for users seeking a top-of-the-line cleaning tool with maximum versatility. Its ergonomic design, high-quality bristles, and wide range of applications make it the best overall choice. The only downside is its slightly heavier weight of 5.3 ounces compared to lighter models. But this is a minor trade-off for its excellent performance and features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.